My name is Lala, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page using the VertiCommerce page builder and promote your products from within the catalog module. Alright, so let's get started. In order to create a page using the page builder, we need to open the content module, go to the pages widget, and here we can add a new design page. So we'll have to give a name to this design page, and the permalink is a must in order to be rendered in the storefront. In this case, I'm not going to fill in all the existing fields, but in a real world case, you of course would need all these different SEO fields, but I'm going to skip this. So once we create a new page, the designer of the page builder is here. So on the left hand side, you see the control panel where you have the sections and the theme configuration. On the right hand side, you have the live preview where you can see your changes on the fly. So let's get started and create a few blocks. I have prepared the content for this demo case, so I'm going to look up into my notes to make it quicker. So I have an idea of creating a landing page to promote a specific SKU within the catalog. So in order to do that, I need a product detail building block which allows me to work with the catalog module, so it's integrated with the catalog module. So once I add it, I need to look up for the product SKU to specify it here. So let me go quickly to the catalog and choose one of the items I want to promote. So let's say I'm interested in promoting this DJI Professional Phantom 3 drone. I'm just going to copy and paste this SKU over here, and once I do that, you can see that data has been retrieved from the catalog. I got a few more settings here so I can manage the look and feel of my blog. So let's say I don't like this image on the left, but I want it to be on the right hand side. I got a few more settings as well, but I'm not going to touch it just for the time being. And now I need to go and put some information which I have already prepared. So let me put it here so that we have some description over here. Additionally, I can manage this button, so you can see that I have a button action select where you can choose from add to cart or go to product page. So let us add this to cart immediately so that users don't have to click twice in order to convert. So let's add a few more blocks. So I have in mind that I want to add some features block where I want to say how our product can be sold. So I'm just copy pasting some information I already prepared, and I got a few titles here which I can manage, and yeah, this shouldn't take long. So if you have your content prepared, then it will take you literally a few minutes to complete your landing page. But of course, you would have to have some idea behind it. So I'm gonna have just 3 items, but as you can see, you can add even more. I'm just quickly gonna show you how you can do that. Oops. So I'm gonna save this. If I add a new column, you see that it pops up here, so I can even manage the order of this. So let me just delete this. And I even have the option of choosing the columns in the view. So if I say I want these to be 4, then it will be 4 columns in one row. So since I'm gonna be limited with only 3 items, so I'm just gonna delete this and put that settings 1, 2, 3. Alright, so let me just change quickly the background to another color so that it's a little bit different from the other blocks. Other than that, I want to add some text blocks so that we can add some more description, and for this I'm going to use the simple text building block where I'm basically going to copy paste this HTML markup which I already have prepared. You don't really have to use the HTML markup, you can put pure text here, but yeah, I like to use the HTML markup so I can control how exactly my content gonna look like. So I don't really need this title, so I'm gonna delete it. So in between here, before continuing the description, I want to add some promotional block. Let's say I want to use some simple designed promo block, and let me add some description over here. Yeah, it says get 50% off right now. Let me just add right now. And so I'm gonna change the color of this block, and I want some fancy color. Let me choose something from close to the one we have for this theme. I think this color works fine, and I can choose the title color to white so that the text looks better. And then we need to change the color of the bottom. Right. There we go. So in order to have more text, I'm just going to copy and paste this block and pull it over down here, and I'm going to add a few more lines of content which I have here. So I'm going to just here copy and paste, add it, boom. Okay, one more promotional block just to make sure users who still haven't converted by this far can convert here. I'm gonna leave this design so that they're a little different from one another, and choose some slightly different background color. I will make something like this. Okay, this looks fine. Sorry for my design preferences. So I'm gonna change the text colors to white so it can be look better. I'm gonna change this opacity to 0.3. Looks nice, isn't it? And of course you can manage where exactly you want to lead this button to, so you can put the URL. Just for this case I'm not going to do that, so I just buy now. Alright, and so I'm not going to change this standard text, don't really have anything prepared so far. Another block I want to use is the product tiles. So I want to show my users what other drones we have in the catalog. So if they don't really like the product I'm promoting over here, I want them probably to buy something else from another product. So in order to do that, I just need to specify what category I want to promote. So I'm interested in drones. As you can see, all drone items are here, and let's say I don't really want them all. Let's put only 4, and I don't want to promote this specific drone because this is over here, and in order to exclude it I just need to copy and paste the SKU so that it removes from the order. You see, now it's been replaced by some other product. So let me just add quickly a title. We have got some more drones you may like. So this is how you create landing page. Alright, now I'm just gonna quickly save this, and when I go to the storefront, oops, storefront and new Prima page. Here we go. So this is the landing page I just have created. Alright, and when I click add to cart, you see that this product has been added to your cart immediately. The same you can do from these products down here. Say I want to add this to cart as well, and you can directly check out from the landing page you created by the page builder. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for your time, and bye bye.